Here I have OPPO A54s, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and when you're in a normal photo mode, just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will begin. So let me show you how it's done. So you just hold it, and right now I took like 17 or 16 shots, and here we can see all of these burst shots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.